Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the Edge Bitcoin wallet in 2025. If you're looking for a secure and user-friendly way to manage your cryptocurrencies, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. Setting up your Edge wallet. First, download the Edge wallet app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create your account. You'll need to set a username, password, and a 4-digit PIN. This information is crucial for accessing your wallet and restoring it. If needed, don't forget to write this down and keep them safe. After that, back up your data and agree to the terms and service. Your wallet is now ready to accept cryptocurrency. Step 2. Adding altcoins. Next, if you want to store multiple cryptocurrencies, go to the wallets page and tap the symbol next to My Wallets. A list of supported cryptocurrencies will appear. Simply select which altcoin you wish to add, and voila, you can even choose a fiat or flat currency for balanced display. Step 3. Transferring funds. To transfer funds, navigate to your wallet homepage. Here you'll see options to request or send. If you're receiving funds, click request to review your wallet address or QR code. Share this with the sender. Enter the amount and you're all set. Step 4. Buying cryptocurrency. Want to buy crypto directly? Hit the buy button on the home screen. Select your country and preferred payment method. Options include bank transfers or credit cards. After confirming your purchase details, choose your destination wallet and enter the amount of crypto you want. Security tips. For added security, enable two-factor authentication within the app. This feature protects against unauthorized access through screen captures or keyloggers. Also, if you ever forget your password, you can recover access using security questions linked to your email. And that's it. You're now equipped to use Edge Bitcoin wallet effectively in 2025. Remember to keep your credentials safe and always enable security features for peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy trading.